This is the chew pack of the Zebco rod and reels. You get the 202 and the 404. Really nice set here. You can see it's got the lure hook right here where you just put the hook in there and it just keeps it pulled back. And then it's got the same thing on this one. This is a great set. It ships in one package in like plastic wrap. You get it open, unboxed, and you get it already has the fishing line in here. So you could get these things up and running in probably about 2 minutes. I'm not like a professional fisherman or anything like that. I'm just doing it for leisure, and this set was perfect. We bought 2 sets of these, so we got 4 fishing poles. We got them up and running in less than 10 minutes, unpackaged them, got the lures on there, and you could be fishing very quick. Zebco is a really great brand. I'm very pleased with these. They just did a really nice job, and it's in 2 pieces here. You could see it just hooks right there it comes in 2 pieces, so the rod is in 2 pieces, and this one right here. So when you break it down, it is small. It could fit in like the trunk of your car or something like that, but it does not take up a lot of room, and I'm very pleased with these. We've been using them for about a week now, and they're very durable. No issues with them at all. The 404 is a little more heavy duty. It's got the double turn on here. This one just has the one, but overall these are very nice poles. Highly recommend picking these up.